Welcome to today's session, guys. So we've already established that avocados are healthy for the inside of our bodies and our faces. Another bit of good news is that it can do wonders for your hair. In today's video, I want to share with you the best avocado hair mask recipe you need to grow your hair. Now, I have been using avocados in my hair for years, but this recipe has not only promoted hair growth and strength, but also treated symptoms associated with hair loss. When it comes to natural hair care products, avocados really outshine most other superfoods because of its moisturizing properties. But when it is paired with other superfoods like bananas and aloe vera gel, the results are simply out of this world. So the first step is to gather all your natural ingredients for your hair mask recipe. And as they say, let's get ready to rumble. By the way, if you have not yet liked this video nor subscribed to our channel, here is an invitation to do so before you leave. Just simply smash that subscription button and press the notification bell. So people usually ask, why should I use an avocado hair mask? And here are some of the most obvious reasons. It promotes hair health. It also leads to a healthy scalp. It promotes stronger hair follicles and hair. It reduces breakage. And it increases moisture in your hair. So let's get into today's recipe. First, you gather a very ripe avocado. The riper, the better. That way your mask will be nice and fluffy. Just simply cut it up into smaller pieces and sprinkle some lime juice over it if it's going to be some while before you use it. The lime juice will prevent or slow down the oxidation process. You now gather the rest of the ingredients, the avocados, some bananas, coconut oil or olive oil, and your aloe vera. The next stage is to make your homemade aloe vera gel. I find homemade usually works best for me because of its natural healing properties. And if you're interested in making your own aloe vera gel at home from scratch for using on your face and your hair, just simply click on the link down below in the description. It will take you to our video. Aloe vera is an ideal ingredient in this mask because it calms an itchy scalp and resolves any scalp inflammation issues. Now that we have all our ingredients prepped and ready to go, we can get into the other stage of the process. First thing you need is to grab your kitchen blender or any other equipment that would serve the purpose. Add your aloe vera gel and start blending until it gets to a liquefied stage. The longer you blend or process the aloe vera gel, the more liquid it becomes, making it easier to add the avocado and the bananas for the hair mask. Slowly add all the other remaining ingredients until they're well blended and smooth. Now, another question that I get asked all the time is, what quantity of each ingredient should I use? And this is the beauty about a DIY hair mask. You can pretty much use whatever you have on hand and the results will pretty much be the same. But if you want strict measurements, just simply use equal portions of each ingredient. And that's where having a digital scale will come in handy. So now that we've added the aloe vera gel, the avocados, and the coconut oil, the last thing to add is the bananas. So bananas is a great addition to this mask because it helps your hair and scalp. It improves manageability and shine, prevents and controls dandruff, and moisturizes your scalp. So the combination of all these ingredients can only do your hair and scalp a whole lot of good. So now that we've processed this hair mask into a nice smoothie concoction, it's now time to store your hair mask. I have stored my hair mask in the freezer and it has lasted me for over a year. And whenever I need to use it, I just thaw out a small amount and use it in my hair care routine. Another option is to store it in single-use packs, so that way you only throw out what you need. Now the secret to using this avocado hair mask is in applying it in dry hair. That way the natural oils in the mask will penetrate the cuticles and will of course be more effective than if you apply it to wet hair. So that is the secret to applying this hair mask and ensuring that it works. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.